Looking for the best carpet cleaner in 2025? In this video, we reveal our top 3 carpet cleaners that deliver powerful deep cleaning, remove tough stains, and bring your carpets back to life. Whether you're battling pet messes, heavy foot traffic, or everyday dirt, these machines will transform your home. Stay tuned as we break down features, performance, and value so you can pick the perfect cleaner for your needs. Number 3. The Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner is an excellent solution for deep cleaning carpets and upholstery, especially for pet owners. Weighing just 18.5 pounds, it's lightweight enough to move around easily, even upstairs, yet powerful enough to tackle tough stains. Its 5 counter-rotating spin scrub brushes work effectively to lift dirt, while the Heat Force technology speeds up drying time, so you can enjoy refreshed carpet sooner. One of the standout features is its dual tank system, which separates clean and dirty water, making it easy to fill, empty, and rinse without mess. The auto mix function ensures the right balance of water and solution every time, enhancing cleaning efficiency. It comes with versatile attachments, including a pet tool for stubborn stains, an upholstery tool, and a crevice tool for those hard-to-reach spots. Users have praised its ability to revive carpets back to their original condition, even after years of pet accidents. It's powerful yet easy to assemble and clean up afterward. While the water tank does require frequent refills for large rooms, this minor inconvenience is outweighed by its performance and affordability. Overall, the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe offers great value, especially when paired with Hoover's specialized cleaning solutions, making it a top choice for maintaining a bright and fresh home. Number 2. The Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner is a powerhouse for homes with pets, kids, or heavy foot traffic. Built with XL dirt lifter power brushes and a 12-amp motor, this machine offers deep cleaning that truly pulls embedded dirt, pet hair, and stains from carpets. With a generous 1.75-gallon dual tank system, it minimizes trips to the sink, saving time while delivering professional-level results at home. One of its standout features is its ability to clean both on the forward and backward pass, which reduces cleaning time and speeds up drying, something many users love. The powerful suction ensures carpets are left cleaner and drier compared to standard machines. Included attachments, like the 9-inch long reach hose and 6-inch tough stain tool, make tackling hard-to-reach spots and upholstery a breeze. Users consistently praise its unmatched cleaning power, noting its effectiveness at removing stubborn pet urine smells and deeply set stains. While it's heavier than typical models at 42 pounds, users agree that the weight is worth the incredible results. Assembly and cleanup are simple, with an easy-to-empty dirty water tank and no-fuss design. Paired with Bissell's Pro Max formula with Stain Protect technology, this machine leaves carpets fresh, soft, and looking revitalized. If you're serious about deep cleaning, the Big Green is a worthy investment. Number 1. The Rug Doctor X3 Commercial Carpet Cleaner truly lives up to its professional-grade promise. Designed with powerful jets, an exclusive vibrating brush, and strong pro-grade suction, this machine digs deep to remove embedded dirt, stains, and odors from carpets that regular cleaners just can't touch. With its one-pass cleaning system, it sprays, scrubs, and extracts in a single move, making the process efficient and less time-consuming. One of the standout features is its large 2.5-gallon clean water tank and 4-gallon dirty water tank, which means fewer trips to the sink and more continuous cleaning. The included Oxy Carpet Cleaner and Oxy Spot and pre-treat solutions enhance the machine's cleaning power, leaving carpets not only looking refreshed but also smelling clean. Pet owners rave about its effectiveness. Whether you're battling pet hair, stubborn stains, or lingering odors, the Rug Doctor X3 gets the job done. One user mentioned their home smelled fresh and the carpets looked almost new even with 2 large dogs at home. Another appreciated the quick drying time and the fresh finish it left on furniture. While it's on the heavier side, its durability and cleaning performance make it a solid investment for both home and commercial use. If you want a deep clean that rivals professional services, the Rug Doctor X3 is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching our top 3 best carpet cleaners of 2025. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more home cleaning tips and reviews. Got a favorite carpet cleaner or a question? Drop it in the comments. We love hearing from you. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest updates. Happy cleaning!